Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by getting your tools ready. Open the rear camera, turn on grid and autofocus, and set exposure if available. Position the document or screen flat under bright, diffused light. This reduces glare and keeps digits sharp. Once done, steady the phone with both hands or rest it on a surface. Breathe and hold for a quick half-second before tapping capture. This ensures the phone number is legible, so later OCR or manual entry will be accurate and fast. Now focus on getting a clear image. Center the phone number with some margin so you can crop later, and tap the screen to lock focus specifically on the digits. If highlights wash out the numbers, decrease exposure or move slightly to change light angle. Use macro mode for close shots or a modest optical zoom. Do not rely on heavy digital zoom because it blurs text. Once you have a crisp shot, take a second backup photo from a slightly different angle for safety. Finish by cropping to the number and running OCR in an app, or type digits manually into a new contact. Always verify each digit allowed to catch errors. Add label, area, or country code if required, then save and back up to the cloud. Make a quick test call or send a short message to confirm the number works. If digits are unreadable, rephotograph with stronger side lighting and a steadier position. If OCR fails, manual entry is safer.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.